Hi everyone, my name is Ron Pangano Sipakyal from BSBA HR3F. My topic is labor related incident. The incident, the closure of Paremo International Incorporate garment factory in the Cavite Ecozones in 2016 is a significant labor-related incident involving a labor union in the Philippines. B. Detailed discussion. Causes. The closure of Paremo International Incorporate was attributed to a lack of orders, but the labor union, which had been formed in 2015, believed it was a ruse to boost the union. The union claimed that management was actively interfering with union session effort, embarrassing unions and intimidating workers against joining. The closure of Paremo International Corporate resulted in the loss of jobs from hundreds of workers, many of whom were women. The incident also highlighted the challenges faced by labor unions in the Philippines, particularly in export processing zones. The Paremo International Incorporate cases demonstrate the importance of protecting workers' rights and promoting fair labor practices in the Philippines. The incident also underscores the need for stronger regulation and enforcement and mechanisms to prevent union busting and other forms of labor right violation. The picture is the symbol of photos in the revelation support discussion. The symbol is the people power or rally for workers, and Filipino labor leader Leonardo Lando P. Valdez. The labor leader Leonardo Lando P. Valdez, a renowned Filipino labor leader and trade unionists, was murdered in 2004. The circumstance of surrounding his death, Calando was shot dead by unknown assailants in front of his home in Quezon City. His death was widely believed to be related to his activism and advocacy for workers' rights. He was a vocal critic of labor rights violations and had been involved in numerous labor disputes. See his contribution to the labor movement. Calando was a long-time leader of the Kilusan Manggagawa ng Pilipinas, KMP, one of the largest labor federation in the Philippines. He played a pivotal role in organizing workers, negotiating collective bargain and agreement, and advocating for labor law reform. He was also a stronger supporter of the struggle for social justice and democracy in the Philippines. Calando legacy continues to inspire the Filipino labor leaders and activism. His death served as a stark reminder of the state of the dangers faced by those who speak out against labor rights violations. His life and work are a testament to the importance of fighting for workers' rights and social justice. And that's all. End of the discussion. Thank you everyone.